Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z30 on your Mac, whether you're transferring stunning video footage or transforming it into your go-to webcam. First, let's tackle exporting your video. The simplest method involves a direct USB-C connection between your Nikon Z30 and your Mac. Ensure your camera is powered on and set to playback mode. Once connected, your Nikon Z30 should appear in your Mac's Finder like any other external drive. Simply navigate to the stored video files usually located within the DCIM folder and drag and drop them to your desired folder on your Mac. For a more streamlined experience and advanced control, consider using Nikon's official software, like Camera Control Pro. This application not only allows for remote shooting but also offers robust options for transferring and managing your Z30's video files. Now, can your Z30 be a webcam? Absolutely. For this, you'll need Nikon's Webcam Utility software, available for free download from Nikon's support website. Install it on your Mac before connecting your camera. After installing the Webcam Utility, connect your Z30 to your Mac using a high-quality USB-C cable. Power on your camera and ensure it's set to video recording mode. You might need to navigate the camera's menu to enable USB streaming or a similar function. Open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, such as Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, or OBS Studio within the application settings. Look for the camera or video input options. Your Nikon Z30, recognized by the Webcam Utility, should appear in the list of available cameras. If you encounter issues, a common troubleshooting step is to try a different, high-quality USB-C cable, or even a different USB-C port on your Mac. Restarting both your camera and your Mac can also resolve connectivity glitches. By following these steps, you'll ensure seamless integration, allowing you to effortlessly export your incredible video footage and elevate your online presence with the high-quality visuals of your Nikon Z30.